So, Professor Panos Papapanou and Professor Berglundh are chairs of Working Group 4, which deals with surgical treatment of peri-implantitis. But I would like to ask you about the relevance of such a guidelines in general. What do you think about that?
It's highly relevant, and it's also timingly excellent, because implant dentistry is still recognized as a novel part of dentistry, but it's available on a global perspective. And looking at a population, the number of patients carrying dental implants has increased. If we look to registry data in the country of Sweden, we see an increase from 2.5% to about 3.6% over the last 10 years. The type of implant patients also change. People live longer, people maintain teeth longer, but still implants are used commonly to replace lost teeth. So I think in order to have an understanding and knowledge to detect and treat peri-implant diseases, this workshop is extremely important.
So this guideline comes just in time?
It does.
Okay. Professor Panos Papapanou, you are editor-in-chief of the Journal of Clinical Periodontology. From your perspective as the editor of this journal, what is the relevance of such guidelines?
So, I think the Journal of Clinical Periodontology prides itself of being the conduit of valid scientific information. And given, as Tord said, the importance of this workshop and the novelty of, the first time having guideline of how you treat an important condition like peri-implantitis, I mean, JCP is really proud to be the carrier of this important scientific message. I mean, it will be disseminated globally. And, I think we are very happy to be able to host this important event printed in JCP.
Mm-hmm. And I think this guideline will be published more or less in summer next year, and again open access, isn't it?
Yeah, the process is that as the systematic reviews get accepted, there is a specific space, virtual space, with the title of the guideline. So the papers are consecutively accepted and appear immediately. And then obviously after our deliberations here, there's going to be a consensus paper, and then of course the detailed guidelines are going to be finalized, and then when the entire document is ready, there's going to be a special issue of JCP, pretty much the same way as we did for the guideline for stage 3 and stage 4 periodontitis. So we follow the same model.
So thank you very much, both of you, and I wish you a successful workshop on consensus report. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Pleasure to be here.